Hello everyone, today I'm opening, Minions. Little Minion balls with something inside. Can I get a gold one? There's a gold one inside. Minions, The Rise of Groot. Only at the years, probably comes out next year. It's supposed to come out this year, I think. It's supposed to come out this year, but because of COVID, I don't have COVID, I'm just pretending to cough. However, I have, I don't smoke, but I've been around people who smoke, so. Well, let's open it up and see what's inside. Will I get a gold? The reveal is no gold. I do have this cute little minion, that cute little flight attendant minion. Beedo. No, wait, that's the fireman one. That's that one. Let's move on to the next one. Here we have another one. Beedo. Open her up. Waka. Nope. I got a minion that knows. Apparently I got a Kill Bill reference. Minion that's referencing the movie Kill Bill. Volume 1 or 2 doesn't really matter. It's the fucking Kill Bill franchise. There's cute little glasses on these little balls. So the balls, you just put the balls on there. You have to see how it says there's a picture of a minion and the word 2 beside it. Ball. Of course, somewhere you'd have the word thing that says it's from McDonald's. Oh yeah, there was a gold minion. I could have swapped one of these out for a gold minion, and I bought one of these from the Thrift Store Ted. But what was the fun in that? Another Kill Bill. Another Kill Bill referenced. Another minion that's referencing fucking Kill Bill. What's with these minions referencing Kill Bill? I guess Kill Bill was made before the movie, but still. Did this take place at the same time as Kill Bill? Is it like a Kill Bill themed type of movie? I got another tourist. I got another flight attendant. I'm not giving it away to any of my fans. I'm going to give this to my friend from high school. She's going to give it, lives in LA. She's going to give it to her. She's going to give this to her brother. And she's going to say that she found this at a thrift store, or she bought this at a thrift store. I'm going to put a thrift store. I'm going to slap one of those thrift store price tags on it and make it look like she bought it from a thrift store here in Calgary. Okay? That would be this one. Put that one to the side. I'm next. Come on. Solid gold. This gold. This side of gold, baby. No. Oh, it's a workout minion from the jail. Getting crunk. Getting funky. Well, I had 6 of them. And when I flip my camera, well, they have it. 4 amazing Despicable Me toys. Any McDonald's Happy Meal. There's 4 toys. Not great quality, I apologize. So, peace.